Many organized religions center around a sacred text. The Bible is a prime example of that and is frequently referred to as the Word of God, or just simply the Word. Nature's doctrine can't be captured on the page. It is the living Word and the never-ending story of creation. Nature is a choose-your-own-adventure yarn, dotted with episodes of grave danger, yet rich in opportunity. It is diverse in all ways. It can scare the pants off you one moment, then crack your heart open with startling beauty the next. Nature's also a teacher. It teaches viscerally, weaving its lessons into the fiber of your being by sensual means. Skin to wind, mud, light, dew, layer after layer of fragrance and sound, colors and shades we don't have words for, and the deep, silent knowing of rocks and trees. Nature emphasizes the need for patience, aligned action, and suitable conditions if we are to bring to fruit any seed, as well as the harsh reality that, try as we may to do everything right, we won't always get what we want. Nature teaches resilience, boundaries, risk, and respect, but perhaps its most enlightening course is death. Death schools us in the ways of transformation, through the cycles of the moon and sun, predator and prey, wildfire, vultures, snakes, mushrooms, and all the secret layers of the necrobiome. To be a student of death is to be prepared for and less afraid of our own life's transformations. It is to know that death feeds life and vice versa, that living and dying are simply two sides of the same ever-spinning coin, and that every end is really a beginning. It is through nature that you have been given this life, and it is to nature you will return upon death. Your life is a gift, but not in the sense of a material thing that you get to keep forever. It is the gift of novel experience, and precious by virtue of its impermanence.